Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to unsubscribe from a channel on YouTube. So to do this you have just to go and open YouTube, and after that we go for example to that channel, and as you can see this is the big subscribe button on that channel. If we click on it, we are subscribed now to that channel. But if we want to unsubscribe, we have just to click on that subscribed icon. And as you can see, the last option in the bottom of the screen is unsubscribe. You have just to click on it. And as you can see, like that, we unsubscribed from that channel in just few seconds. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next